The wiring diagram for reversing a 110V electric motor with a 6-pole reversing switch.
Hi, I'm Norm and I'd like to help. I've attached a page from the Square D motor control wiring diagram book that has the diagram for a 6-pole reversing drum switch, which is a universal application, so the diagrams also apply to your Dayton switch. The diagram for your application is Figure 3. This diagram applies to both 240V and 120V connections. When connecting a 120V motor, the botXXXXXne is the neutral. Full-size image. Since terminals 5 and 6 are in the neutral line, they should be wired together externally with a jumper to avoid switching the neutral. I will be away from my computer for a couple of hours, but we'll check back in at that time.
Norm, I need to know the connections on the motor end also. My 220 diagram shows the line into the drum switch as the top and bottom terminal 2 and 6 on the right and nothing on the center post terminal 4. And out of the drum left side as white lead goes from terminal 1 to T4 on motor, green lead goes from terminal 3 to T8 on the motor, black lead goes from terminal 5 to P1 on motor, and lines T235 are taped on motor. I am using a standard 3-wire lead between the drum switch and motor. The diagram you sent seems to be using 4 wires between the switch and the motor, is that correct? Can I do this with 3 wires?
If you send me the model number of the Dayton motor, I can look up the wiring diagram and tell you how to connect it. I'll be back in 3 or 4 hours. Thanks.
Dayton farm duty C-faced motor attached to a gearhead 1 or 1.5 horsepower.
Hi. I'm back. Attached is another sketch with the motor terminals identified. I could not find a diagram with motor terminal designations that corresponded to your 240V motor connections. The connections shown here are for a dual voltage 120-240V motor and are industry standard. It will, in fact, require a 4-wire cable between the switch and the motor. To get specific with your motor, I need more information, specifically the Grainger catalog number, which should be something like 2E456 or similar numbering. We can go from there if you like. Norm full-size image.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.